Computer numerical control, or CNC machines, are sophisticated and expensive pieces of equipment. For cybercriminals, damaging these machines is a surefire way of sabotaging a manufacturer's operations. We've identified 5 ways malicious actors could inflict damage on a CNC machine. One of these attacks involves remotely disabling the feed hold function, which operators use to keep a machine from moving while checking the program or inspecting the work area. As shown in this simulated attack, the operator keeps pressing the feed hold button to no effect. If the machine is unable to pause when it's supposed to, it could lead to the breakage of the machine, its components, or the raw material under production, any of which would disrupt the manufacturing process. One of the 4 controller vendors we tested was at risk of this kind of attack. In this video series, we look into the different cyber attacks that CNC machines could fall victim to, and take deep dives into how these attacks unfold. To learn more, visit research.trendmicro.com/CNC machine security.